that we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of you.
What's up, AC gang? It's your girl Abbi here, and guys, I want to tell you this: Happy New Year! Yeah, January 1st, fan them. So right, can't put them beside me. I don't know why I'm call me and why I'm not coming out of frame. But right now I'm gonna shave my arm. Now with any razor, I know I'm gonna shave my arm, but with the trimming something we have. So can't put them. Carelessness. The guys, we're about to go to a place called Hope Garden in Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, you know, they have a little fun fest.
You can't be moving.
Alright, they have a fun fest, guys, so we just go and keep bring him family, and you know, some of my family will come and we just enjoy our look self for the New Year's. You know, guys, big up on yourself, stay tuned. Watch it, actually a trim. Yeah. But I save it back for your challenge, but you know it's got to go. Like, I can't be a hot girl and have so much hair under my arm. This one under my arm black. Jesus, I need to rub it with some potato juice or something. Alright, guys, so careful. And I'm still body, man. I'm gonna call myself hot girl. I'm for behave. Guys, yeah. Hair gone. I just look at potato juice I need or some lime juice.
Why,
you know.
potato juice real, like?
For skin line, it's a skin line, them skin line type of thing, you know, just line underarm and you know anyway dark area there. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get ready and we're gonna zoom back on the camera. Pretty and everything answer in 3, 2. So guys, I'm ready and everything. I'm doing my makeup and mom trying to fix the hair. The hair just look dry to this. I don't know how I'm to come on, let me bring dry hair in the new hair. I don't know. Like my side of family reach already. They might not even know so much of them have come. One of the dirty people, when I could tell me so when I come. Then I get them people watch my video so I'm not gonna see this. Yeah, shades. Answer. So guys, we just reached at Hope Garden. You can look at down here. But they have to separate with Capo family because so much I wouldn't could hold in another.
He found this kid by himself.
So much I we could hold in another taxi. So we have to take some. I know my family supposed to come. Look at yeah, my family supposed to come. Imagine them they are whip them all along, you know. I'm
and this kid, I don't know where he come from. Young man, what's your name?
Find that boy.
What's your name? What's your mother's name? We need to find his parents.
Anthony Johnson.
Okay, Anthony Johnson.
Alright.
Let's find them parents today. So the mission of finding parents.
Yeah, so guys, we did a rock climbing thing yesterday. You know, we just gonna do a look of vlog and enjoy myself at the same time. You know, cause I want to enjoy myself at first. I come up here, you know.
Okay.
So I want to see what take place up here. Alright, so stay tuned. My family just reached. Well, it's a Capo family, the Capo auntie. My grandmother and aunt. My auntie over so. My cousin's cousin there so. My next cousin there so. Yeah, my cousin-in-law there so. Yeah, one bag of something. Yeah. I'm just gonna enjoy myself. Have a nice time. Watch Capo uncle. Watch bad. So guys, right now, we just done for belly and me and Kepa go find ride for Copan. You know, because me not come up here so I don't go for ride. Because they ask me if I feel like me, I'll go pay me. Of course, I'll go pay me. I'll go for ride.
And you can't find the mother for the penny for me.
So, yeah, me and Kepa go walk and look for ride. Alright? So stay tuned, guys.
Times like this, I miss being a kid. Wrongs about the nice back in the days, you know.
Come on, go walk up on it. Ah, the bull. Come, go walk up on the bull. So guys, more going on right now. But, when you watch channel line,
Jump over there, man. Abbi, jump.
How you guys, how much people are waiting on line,
run down, Abbi.
Capo, come on. Capo, come on. This is Johnny riding the ball. He's gripping onto the ball. He's riding the ball. Whoa, hold on, Johnny. Whoa, Johnny fell off. And Johnny's getting back on the ball. Yes, he's confident this time. Hold on to the ball, Johnny. Ride the ball, Johnny. Ride it. Hang on, Johnny. Hang on, Johnny. Hang on, Johnny. Hey, Johnny fell.
Out there. Clear the road. Down the drive. Come here, son. Do road. Clear the road. Clear the road.
Yeah, we're going to ride it. It's nice. Yeah, the people them good thing. People them run. Yeah, so right now we're just going to walk up and now look for couple people them call them last.
Everybody missing right now.
Yeah, my people them gone home. I'm on peace, I'm not peace, so I'm going to come. So you know I'm going to find the bathroom. So, come. I switch him a good job for the people on stage, you know. Keep open eyes for stage, guys. I switch him a good job.
Papa Jesus, how Abbi reach pan stage without me? Look a girl, come get me now and carry me up there now.
What do you see me, look at that?
Yo, the light in
I can't go on that road.
Where I got it?
Yeah, that's it. Make sure when I look at present and thing, I want some fun of people on stage. I'm never invite you, I'm not go on the stage. So Ras, the camera come over here.
Yo, sure.
So yeah guys, I'm gonna put on the phone because we don't want nobody to grab keep up for now. I don't have time to run. Bye guys until we reach home. So we're for the bus now, we go and keep on yard. And you know we are walking for the bus sticker.
And guys, I can't just go because I can't find another film.
So you see gang, just reach home. Tired, Jesus Christ, I'm tired. And Jam look yourself to the hey and girl I'm clean as I know here I say. Yes, but also I don't know if I can check. I left the place in our mess, you know, not even what's the bed, no what's in the way. I left the place in our mess, so I just try and fix up. And then you know for close out the look of vlog. I just I do want to look at dancing and you know I end the vlog, alright guys, so I change off in the hard clothes. Just watch and see.
People, and I can't believe so supposed to end the video. And a big one about this sleep. Oi! Wake up, man! Sleep too much. Backside! The pan camera, you abuse me, no? That me I tell you, the pan camera, come. So, guys, I'll be tired out. I don't know why. You might see why in the video still, but we are going to end the video now, people.
Wait, before we end the video, guys, I forgot to put this in at the starting of the video. I want to shout out a girl named Official Ella.
She's been showing off so much love recently.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Yeah,
Goody. Goody, big up yourself and so.
And don't forget to shout out Dimples and Brina.
Yeah, Dimples and Brina. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Come catch me, we're going to work out and so.
That about. Stand up, me up them love. I can't keep on Unibro so I want to go.
Oh man.
2019.
No, look at me actually.
I mean, camera boy neck. 2020.
I don't say if you look on camera. My face look lighter than my body. I'm not even say looking at real life. You know?
Well, that camera this, so we have to work with it.
Look. When I come down me up on YouTube, you know, can me ball. 2020 guys, Happy New Year again. And so moment of silence for who really never make it in 2020. You know, everything just in a God's plan. So after 3, moment of silence. 1, 2, 3.
Alright. And for who's alive right now watching this video, remember this year is your year, so take it on.
Yeah, I know listen what people say about you. If people say don't do that, when they're not gonna make it, don't follow them. Because them want to do it and afraid to do it.
True.
Go and push out there.
Hey, don't do it.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
We meet Freddy. I look palm down. I go and I eat up on YouTube.
But seriously people, whatever you want to do in life, just go for it. Once it's positive and not hurt nobody,
Just do it!
like Nike.
Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river.
Let's try to take time coming on.
Fuck up a nigga. I kill a nigga. I fuck up a
Play too much. No, it's not, huh? Fried dutchie, huh? Chicken burger,
Dumpling.
egg, huh?
Satches. Alright, AC guys, so this is the end of our vlog. Don't forget to
Hit the like button.
subscribe if you don't know.
Yo, subscribe.
Yeah, and follow us on Instagram down below at the pan Snapchat. Because I be my dude support and I want to know not follow me.
Snapchat be lit.
Follow us on Snapchat.
What's Snapchat name again? What's Snapchat
Abbi
name?
and Capo.
Yeah, man.
That's simple. If you're not too lazy, everything in the description.
Oh yeah, just click the link them.
Yeah, just click the link them and it just send
Click
it to
them,
the page.
click them, click them.
Yeah, and if you want a shout out to, just follow up our Instagram, subscribe to our channel, Abbi and Capo, our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV,
Yeah.
on that channel here, and follow all up our Instagram. And then tell us if we want a shout out. Simple as that. Yeah, I will check to see if we not follow. Yeah, what we're gonna do if them subscribe.
Comment on our channel.
Yeah,
Just watch and comment. Because we can't subscribe.
dishonest,
Yeah, man. Just watch and comment and all them things.
Until
Jesus
my
Christ, yeah. Some other friend,
Who the take my car?
hold her back, hold her back. Backside. No, man, she aggressive, you know.
Bye.